Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reggie Bana with RB Studios Photography. And today I'm going to be taking professional photos of a model over at Grayscale Studio in Jersey City, New Jersey. Now, she wants to take photos for her professional brand, and that's what we're here for. So, stay tuned. Currently right now I'm just about to grab something to eat, and yeah, we're gonna head on over. And oh yeah, before I forget, don't forget to like and subscribe and all that other good stuff, and I will see you soon. So here we are at Grayscale Studio in Jersey City, New Jersey, and I have my model here and I'm ready to do the business portraits first, and then I was going to stage the sound healing setup. It takes a little bit to set up, so what I didn't want to do is run out of time with that portion of the photo shoot. So business portraits first, then sound healing second. And I'm just gonna be waist up in this one. Perfect. Doing really well. All right. I like it. So what I want you to do, nope, stay there.
Okay.
And I want you to take your left arm, or left hand, and put it in your pocket.
With thumb out or?
With thumb out.
Okay.
Yes. Perfect. Can you just give me just a little bit more shoulder? Just
a little more what? Shoulder?
Yeah, just put your shoulders back just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. Because I just want to exaggerate the depth and the hole in here. Right there.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay. Is that better? Or?
It looks better, but overall, put your hand on your head. Let's try that. Yes, put your hand on your head. Let's try that. First one of that. We're gonna do one more shot. And one more time, okay? Perfect. So I will say the one thing that takes so long during these photo shoots is actually staging the photo shoot. To get everything symmetrical, to make sure that there are no wires showing, to make sure that there's no distracting elements in the background, just takes a little bit of time and patience. So what I wanted to do during this photo shoot is to make sure that she had that nice clean aesthetic with a nice clean background. And just bring the gong right up to the bowl. Yeah.
There's a hair on the gong?
No, on the thing. Just lift up the gong.
Yes, right there. A little fuzz. Perfect. Same thing. I'm just gonna be right behind you. You to be smiling in the background, okay?
And where do I look?
Yeah, you can look directly at me. Continue to look directly at me. Bring the bowl down a little bit. Perfect. So when I'm doing these branding photo shoots, I want my model to bring all the tools that they use in their day-to-day. And in this particular photo shoot, I wanted her to bring all her sound healing products. So that way we can just get that background image of her using her actual tools on clients and just playing with them and just getting those detailed shots. Do a little bit and to the right. To the right, a little bit more, a little bit more. So I asked her if she could bring along 2 people just so I could stage those models, and that way we can capture the essence of what she actually does. So that way she could use this for her website or anything like that, just so people get like a background image of sound healing.
Okay. Okay, well, thank you everyone for joining. My name is Heather, and I will be your sound healer today. And I am a Reiki practitioner, soon to be Karuna. So let's begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Another deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. And one last deep inhale.
Can you just stand right there and do the same thing? And I didn't want to like pose her all the time. What I wanted her to do is just simply be in her element. So I just told her, hey, listen, do what you got to do. Pretend that I'm not even here. Do the entire class, so that way I could just get that behind the scenes look that we were going for. think you would pick an angel card. I feel like that would be good if you were picking one up.
If I pick one up? Yeah.
One up.
Okay, so should I come over there?
All right, so here we are wrapping up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did like this video. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at rbstudiosphotography. And just stick around for the slideshow and take care. See you in the next one.